Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 3. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D sketch as given in the manual. Once the sketch of unknown dimension is drawn, specify its dimension using smart dimension command. Since we are going to use relations for fully define the sketch, it is enough to specify the fewer parts of the dimensions. Now, select the lines having same dimensions and give the relation equal. Follow the steps for further lines which are not having the same dimensions as given in the manual. Once the required dimensions and the relations are given, our sketch will be fully defined. That's it, our sketch is completed.